This tiny cherry contains as much vitamin C as this navel orange. But it's not just any cherry, it's the Barbados cherry, Malpighia emarginata. One single cherry clocks in at 80.5 milligrams of vitamin C. One navel orange contains 82.7 milligrams. So clearly I'm rounding down, but it's essentially the same. Now, most of us can't pop down to the grocery store and pick up a bag of Barbados cherries. And finding fresh picked ones online isn't easy either. You will come across acerola cherry powder, which is the same thing. Acerola is another term for Barbados cherry, wild crapemyrtle, all the same thing. But nothing quite beats growing the Barbados cherry yourself. The best part is they're fast fruiters. Look at this little guy. Within a couple weeks or sooner, these flowers will become fully ripened cherries. A couple years ago, I even snagged this photo of one of our baby trees with a fully ripened cherry. It's native to South and Central America, think Paraguay, Brazil, Mexico, but it's become very popular in southern states like California, Texas, Florida. Its shrubby size is ideal for container growing, so people in northern states can still grow it inside a greenhouse, or I've even seen people pull it inside their house during the winter to keep it alive. Growing it out in your yard, it will reach a maximum of 10 to 12 feet. It's going to need full to part sun, so colder states, if you're bringing it inside, be sure to put it near a window. It's rated for zones 9B to 11, and when you water it, you want the soil to look like this. Not this, not like this.